Hello friends, in this video we are focusing on LL1 problem from Pune City's April 2017 paper, and it's question number 3b. It says check whether the given grammar is LL1 or not. This is what the grammar given to us. Now in LL1 grammar or a predictive parser, it does not allow us left recursive rules. So we need to remove left recursion from the grammar. Left recursion means rule A goes to A alpha or beta. You can easily see here there is a left recursion here. Okay. So similarly we find here left recursion is A goes to A, B goes to B, C goes to C. All these rules have left recursion which we need to remove. Now how do I remove left recursion? Is a formula. Formula is A goes to A alpha or beta. This is what is a left recursive rule. So we have to remove it. So we have formula here A goes to beta A dash, and that A dash goes to alpha A dash or epsilon. We can have epsilon in the predictive parsers, in top-down parser. So using this formula we can remove it. So that becomes A goes to beta is X. So we have to write here A dash, and A dash goes to alpha. Alpha means here after A what is remaining is there's alpha. That's A, B, and then A dash again, and here you have or epsilon. So like this you can modify this grammar. So that becomes B goes to, here you can write Cy is a beta, Cy B dash, and B dash goes to, here remaining alpha is CB, B dash or epsilon. Similarly C goes to, here if you observe, to remove here epsilon in this from this rule, so C goes to beta. Beta is already epsilon here, so just what remains is only C dash. I'll write down here for you again for the rule of C. So C goes to, that is epsilon, that's alpha beta here. So just what remains here is C dash, and C dash goes to, here alpha is E, and again C dash or epsilon. Ideally if you observe here, we can rewrite this rule as C goes to, here directly E, C or epsilon, but we are using a formula, so we are just writing it as it is. So now finally our modified grammar is this one. A goes to X A dash goes to A B dash epsilon. This is what is our modified grammar. Now after removing left recursion we have to find the first and follow of this grammar, modified grammar. So how do I find the first? So first of A is X, first of A is A dash is A or epsilon. Then what we have is first of B is first of C, first of C is first of C dash, first of C dash is E or epsilon. So what you get here is E or epsilon, first of C dash, and first of first of A, already done, right? A or epsilon. First of B was first of C. So here we get here E or epsilon. Now point is here in this grammar, first of C, when it goes to epsilon, so if it goes to epsilon, the first of this rule becomes a Y. That's why you get a Y here as a first of B. And then first of C, if C does not go to epsilon, the first of C will be first of C dash, and that is what is E here. That's why you have got E and Y here, no epsilon. Whereas here first of B dash is a first of C, and first of C, as we have seen just now, it can be E or epsilon. So we take here E, and if C goes to epsilon, then C derives epsilon through C dash. In that case, first of this rule will be B also. So we get here answer is E or B. That's what we get here, E or B. And B dash also goes to epsilon. So we have first of B dash as epsilon. So what is the first? Now to find follow of starting non-terminal is always dollar. So follow of A is dollar. Follow of A dash is last non-terminal here. So follow of A dash is follow of A. So we just get follow of A here as dollar as well. Follow of A dash is dollar. Then follow of A dash is follow of A dash. Leave it. Nowhere A dash else. Next I want follow of B. Now B comes here. So follow of B is first of A dash. First of A dash is A or epsilon. Now I can take A but no epsilon. Epsilon never comes in follow. Remember this. Dollar never comes in first, and epsilon never comes in follow. Remember this tip. So now follow of A dash is, follow of B is first of A dash. First of A dash is already done A, and then if A dash goes to epsilon, then follow of B will be follow of A dash. That's why you have to copy follow of A dash, that is dollar here. Okay. Then after that, what you want is follow of B dash. Follow of B dash is follow of B, last non-terminal. So follow of B, you have to copy here A dollar as it is. Follow of B dash, leave it. Now follow of C. Follow of C is first of Y, follow of C is first of B. So you get here Y and B. Now follow of C dash C dash is last non-terminal, so follow of C dash is follow of C, so we get here follow of C, Y and B. So we're done with the first and follow. Now let's focus on a parsing table. So for parsing table, on this side we got all non-terminals. You can see here all terminals becomes the columns. Don't forget a dollar column. Now we have to map these rules in this table. If it is a non-epsilon rule, it goes in the first. If it's an epsilon rule, it goes in the follow of this non-terminal. So let's map this. So A goes to X A dash. It's a non-epsilon rule, goes in the first of this rule, that's X. So A and X, we write this rule. So row of A, column of X, we write this rule. A goes to X A dash. Now A dash goes to A, B, A dash. First is A, so the rule goes in A dash A. So A dash A, we got this rule. Then A dash goes to epsilon rule, goes in the follow of A dash, and follow of A dash is dollar. So in dollar column we get here A dash epsilon. Okay. Then we have got for B goes to C by B. First of C is for this rule is E. Okay. If it goes to epsilon, then Y. So we have to write this rule in column of E as well as Y, because C can go to epsilon. So here in row of B we got E and Y, this rule. Okay. Then this rule B dash goes to C B dash. First is C, which is again E, and if it goes to epsilon, then it will be B. So E and B column, we are going to write this B dash goes to CB B dash. So here you get E B dash goes to CB B dash and E and B. Okay. Now next rule is B dash goes to epsilon, goes in the follow of B dash, because it's epsilon rule. Follow of B dash is A and dollar. So in A and dollar we goes here B dash goes to epsilon rule. The next is C goes to C dash. First of C dash is E. So if it goes to E, then C and E, we write here rule C goes to C dash. That's what is here. And then if C dash derives epsilon, then this becomes the epsilon rule. So if it is epsilon rule, we have to also write this rule in the follow of C, and follow of C is Y and B. So you have to write this rule in column of Y and B as well. Remember this, normally students make mistake here. Now C dash goes to E, C dash goes in the first of E, so C dash is here, C dash goes to E, C dash. C dash goes to epsilon, clearly goes in the follow of C dash, that is nothing but Y and B. So here Y and B, we write C dash goes to epsilon. So we get here predictive parsing table. We should have hidden this, then that's the next question. We shouldn't know this. So this is what is the predictive parsing table. If you see, there is nowhere multiple entries, all entries are unique, and that's why this grammar is given grammar is LL1.